It is given that Sunita's age is X years. It is given that Beth is 1 year younger than Sunita. That is, age of Beth will be 1 year less than that of Sunita. So Beth's age will be X minus 1 years. Joel's age is double that of Sunita. So Joel's age will be 2 times Sunita's age. Joel's age will be 2x. It is given that the mean age of the three persons is 5 years. To find the mean age, we use sum of the ages of the three persons divided by 3. To add the ages, we first identify the like terms. X plus 2x minus 1. This gives 4x minus 1, the whole divided by 3. We equate this expression to the given mean age, which is 5. So 4x minus 1, the whole divided by 3 equal to 5. Rearrange and solve for x. So x equal to 4, we have to find the age of Joel. So substitute in Joel's age equal to 2x, which gives 2 times 4, which is 8 years.